If you want to get free live or animated wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, in that case you can use, for example, TikTok. This app allows you to convert a video into an animated wallpaper to your home screen or even lock screen. Now, if you don't have TikTok yet, you can go to the Play Store and then we're gonna search for the app. There we go. And of course, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to quickly set it up and immediately find a wallpaper that we can use as a video that we can use as a wallpaper. So once we install it, we can press open. And we might need to sign in, but actually in my case I can skip this. So in the top right corner we can press skip. If you want to quickly sign in, because you cannot skip, simply continue with Google. I think this is the fastest way to do so. So I'm gonna skip. We need to select the birthday, so I'm gonna quickly choose birthday, press continue, and OK. One more time. Then we can agree to terms of service. We don't have to allow for notifications. Interest can be skipped. And then we can press start watching. Over here we can choose generic ads, it doesn't really matter. So let's choose it. Swipe up once so that you can actually proceed. Tap on this icon in the top right corner. And we're gonna enter, let's say, 4K wallpaper. And now over here we can also switch to videos tab, so that we just see videos instead of photos. And we can try to find a cool wallpaper. Let's see this one. This one looks cool, so let's see if we can actually set it up, because not every video can be set as the wallpaper. On the right side, tap on this share icon, this arrow on the right side. And then let's see if we can set it up. No, we cannot set up as the wallpaper, so let's go back. Let's try to find something else, perhaps this one. Still no. Okay, let's proceed. Alright, so I found one that can be set. Over here you need to find this option, set as wallpaper, so we need to select it. And if nothing happens after trying to set as wallpaper, what we need to do is go back to the Play Store, and this time we're gonna search for additional app. It is actually called TikTok, but it's spelled like this. So we need to get this app. This is like a plugin, and that allows us to set those videos as wallpaper. Once it is downloaded, we can go back to TikTok, and let's try one more time. Let's see if this works. There we go. Now we can press set as wallpaper, then confirm, and let's choose home screen and lock screen. And now if we go back, as you can see, I have an animated wallpaper completely for free. Keep in mind that this method may quickly drain your battery. I mean, not quickly, but it definitely uses the battery quite a bit. So you need to keep that in mind. You can try to find any other third-party app that allows you to use an animated wallpapers, but I think the TikTok one is the most popular choice. So this is why I have shown you this one exactly. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!